Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Metal rolling trays have become a must-have accessory for both experienced rollers and newcomers alike. These versatile trays provide a convenient and organized surface for all your rolling needs, making your smoking sessions more enjoyable. Our metal rolling trays are not only practical but also stylish. Available in various designs and sizes, you can find the perfect tray that matches your style and complements your smoking collection. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own one of our top-notch metal rolling trays. Visit our website or contact us today to find the perfect tray that suits your style and needs. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.